Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take 10 lines on flood. 10 lines on flood. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. Flood is one of the most dangerous natural disasters. Is one of the most dangerous natural disasters. Flood is one of the most dangerous natural disasters. A flood is an overflow of water on land, destroying the area. A flood is an overflow of water on land, destroying the area. Flood is an overflow of water on land, destroying the area. Flood not only destroys a big area, but also takes many lives and damage properties. Damages properties. Flood not only destroys a big area but also takes many lives and damages properties. It usually happens due to heavy rain. Usually happens due to heavy rain. It usually happens due to heavy rain. Global warming. Deforestation. And increasing pollution. Are the indirect causes that invite floods. Global warming, deforestation, and increasing pollution are the indirect causes that invite flood. Many people, including birds and animals, lose their lives in floods. Many people, including birds and animals, lose their lives in floods. Floods pollute drinking water sources. Drinking water sources and lead to waterborne diseases. Lead to waterborne diseases. Disease like cholera, hepatitis, typhoid, etc. Floods pollute drinking water sources and lead to waterborne disease like cholera, hepatitis, typhoid. Floods not only cause loss of life and property, floods not only cause loss of life and property, but also badly affect the economy of the country, Floods not only cause loss of life and property, but also badly affect the economy of the country. Afforestation is the best way to prevent floods. Trees and vegetation help in slowing the flow of water, slowing the flow of water. Afforestation is the best way to prevent floods. Trees and vegetation help in slowing the flow of water. The government and citizens must work together to prevent floods. The government and citizens must work together to prevent floods. So this was today's lines on flood. See you next time. Goodbye.